Hey YouTube, I just wanted to come to you live to show you the many colors of crochet kinky twists, that styles that are my favorite, that I've tried, that I love, that I now offer in my own Etsy shop. So with each order you will get 200 pieces of each individual color. And then also you'll get a crochet needle, and as well as a braiding pattern, which I think is my favorite one to use, one that'll expose not so much of the hair and give you enough coverage as well. I usually probably wear about 150, but in the shop, just because my head might be smaller than everyone else's, I offer 200 pieces in the shop. So you'll get 200 pieces with the order, as well as you'll get a crochet braid pattern, that's my favorite, as well as a crochet needle. And so I will have linked down below, and I'm sorry about the coloring, so I'm trying to get it as is best. This is our color number 51, which is gray. There is a 44 as well. If you wanted a 44, just reach out to me and let me know. This is a color 1B, which is our favorite. Of course, our number 30. This is 613, which is another one of my favorite. If I didn't work in the corporate world, I would rock this. Sorry about my lighting, guys. It's going in and out. This is a color 1B 30 mixture together. This is a number 27. Again, sorry about the lighting. So that 27, every time I get to it, it kind of goes a little bit dark. But you know what color 27 is. This is a 1B burgundy. And then this is our number 33. It's more of your darkish brown. So I'm coming to you live because most people want to get a chance to see how the crochet twists look before they purchase them. As far as the style, the size, if you see, like far as this is, it's about, it's not thick. And then this is kind of the length. So it's about 8 to 10 inches. And like I said, when I say 8 to 10 inches, it could be 8, it could be between 10. It just depends on the size of your head, and then far as how the braiding pattern is braided in. So I just wanted to come on live. A lot of people want to know, hey, I want to get some of your crochet twists, but I don't know where to get them. You will not find these in the hair store. I hand make these along with my co-partner. We hand make these twist by twist on a hanger. And if you like, if you comment below, I can definitely let you know or give you a video on how my day-to-day go running my Etsy shop, from twisting the hair, breaking the hair apart, to twisting it on a hanger, to dipping the rods. Yes, I dip each hair rod, each piece in boiling hot water to kind of get the ends there that we have there. So yes, this will be kind of kinky. It will not be your silky twist. This will be more of the kinky style. So if you order from me, do not expect to have pretty twists. They would not be called kinky twists if they were pretty twists. So I just want to come on live to kind of show you these three are my favorite right here. So comment below, let me know which ones is your favorite color, and if you have ordered from me before, let me know what you thought of the twist. I will have a link of the shop link down below. You can see a lot of my customers who get the twist, they go ahead and they upload a picture right away with the twist showing how it looked. The good thing about these is because you can actually, if you see right here, you unravel. When you take these out, you can actually unravel them back out, wash them far as a co-wash. Use a co-wash in the sink water, let them air dry, and reuse them. Yes, you can reuse these. Let me know if you have any questions. I want to come on live just to show you my crochet kinky twists. Oh, and I don't know about you, but I am in love with protective styles, and this is one of my #1 protective style, just because I can cornrow my own hair and go ahead and add the twist in myself. And it usually takes me, maybe after I cornrow my hair, not even an hour to add the twist in. They're so soft, you won't even feel like you have anything on your hair. You will not feel like you have anything on your hair at all. That's number 30 up close. That's 613 up close. That's gray up close. You can actually mix this and that together. Some people mix this and that. You can mix this with that. This is 1B burgundy that's already mixed, so you wouldn't mix that. This is number 33, so you can mix it with this. I mean, you can just have fun with it. If you look at some of my pictures, some of my customers, they reach out to me. You can get all number 30 if you want. You can get all this color if you want. You can get all number 33 if you want. So it's just reach out to me and let me know what colors you need. I usually ship them out after you order, probably within 3 to 5 days, depending on how many orders I have a day. So, and as well as I have a full-time job. So just keep me in mind once you order, how fast it'll get out. I try to get them out fast because I know how excited I am to get hair. So let me know if you have any questions, guys. Thanks so much, and I will talk to you soon.